Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you this beautiful and very amazing, very interesting knitting stitch pattern. This pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, ladies cardigan and all kinds of knitting products you like. So this is how it looks like from the front side, and this is how it looks like from the wrong side. This is very amazing pattern, very pretty pattern. So very wonderful and amazing design. So this pattern you can use in both thin and thick yarn. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So in order to knit this pattern, you need to cast on multiples of 10 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 10 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, and this is only 8 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So we are going to knit from right side, and this is row 1. So row 1 right side, we slip edge stitch and we purl 3. We purl 3, purl 3, SSK, SSK, purl 3, SSK, knit 1, knit 1, yarn over, purlwise and purl 1, again yarn over, knit 1 and knit 2 together. That's the repeat. Slip 1, purl 3, knit 2 together, knit 1, SSK, knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together. Now we repeat it to the end of the row. Again purl 3, purl 3, SSK, SSK and knit 1, yarn over, purlwise, purl 1 and yarn over, knit 1, knit 2 together. Now again we repeat purl 3, and SSK, knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, knit 1 and knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. Now the remaining 3 stitches, purl 3 and knit edge stitch. Knit edge stitch. So row 1 is complete. Now we knit row 2 and row 2 we knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So friends, row 2 is complete. Now we knit row 3 and row 3 we slip edge stitch, purl 3 and SSK, purl 3, SSK, SSK and yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, yarn over and knit 2 together. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it until the end of the row. Again so SSK, yarn over, knit 1 and purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together. This is the second repeat. Now we repeat it again. Purl 3, purl 3, SSK, SSK, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, yarn over and knit 2 together. Now remaining 3 stitches, purl 3 and knit edge stitch. So row 2 is complete. Row 2 is complete. Now we knit row 4 and row 4 knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So I will be back later. So friends, row 4 is complete. Now we are going to knit row 5 and row 5 we slip edge stitch, we purl 3 purl 3 and we make yarn over and knit 1 and knit 2 together, knit 2 together, purl 1 and SSK and knit 1, knit 2 together, purl 1, SSK and knit 1 and yarn over. That's the repeat. We have done second repeat. Now we repeat it again. Purl 3, make yarn over and knit 1, knit 2 together, purl 1 and SSK SSK, knit 1 and yarn over. Now remaining 3 stitches, purl 3 and knit 1. So row 5 is complete. Now we knit row 6 and row 6 on the wrong side, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So I will be back later. So friends, I knitted row 6. Now we have row 7 and I am going to knit row 7. So row 7 we slip edge stitch and purl 3 knit 1 yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2 together and purl 1, purl 1 and SSK SSK and yarn over, knit 1. That's the repeat. That's the repeat. Now again we knit purl 3 and knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, purl 1 SSK and yarn over, knit 1. So this is our second repeat. Now again we repeat. Purl 3, knit 1, yarn over, 2 together, purl 1, SSK, SSK, yarn over and knit 1. And now purl 3, and knit 1. So row 7 is complete. Now row 8 we knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So friends, I complete row 8, and as you can see how beautiful the pattern is. You can use this pattern for vest, for sweater, for shawl, for cardigan, for jumper. This is so pretty, so beautiful pattern, and you can knit it easily. So this is very good looking pattern. So I hope you like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.